Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on that crazy bridge of Roundabout. Right, so you got the same thing you did in the beginning of the song with the intro, where you went. So, you're just going to copy that. I know this is on the keys, but this is a really cool little riff, so we're going to learn it on guitar. Maybe the guitar does it too. It sounds like the whole band, I think, does it. So, anyways, you got this double hammer-on, so you got right here, on the 4th fret of the G string, hammering onto the 5th fret, and then from there, you're hammering onto the 7th fret. Do the same thing on the D string. And then you hit the C note twice. Now the rest of the time you just hit the note once after that little double hammer on, so it goes. And then you drop that root note down to here. So you do this run again, but you only hit it once down here. And then you do the run again, and then A, and then the next one, you got the G, and then it goes into that really cool little riff. The riff goes. You can do a little vibrato right there if you feel like it, so it goes. And then up to the 7th fret, or you can do it right here. I like to slide up to here. I'm pretty sure it doesn't slide, but it sounds cool with the slide. Back down. Back up. And I think the real one goes, but you can go, both of them sound cool. But yes. So the hammer-ons is it's a wrist workout, you know, it's a forearm wrist workout with these hammer-ons. But you'll get used to it. Just remember the first one is that bump, bump, and the rest are one.